Richie Port, stage 2, could be a decisive stage. Is that how you see it?
Oh, for sure. I think, it's on paper probably the hardest one, 5 laps of Stirling, and then the run into Paracome's quite tricky as well.
Is it smart to put a stage like this so early in the race when traditionally this race has been decided in the second last stage?
Well, I mean, it doesn't hurt. I mean, it's, normally it's a little early, but look, you just deal with it, and everybody's in the same boat.
You here to win today?
Why not? I mean, it's a little bit unknown where my form's at, but, Paracombe 2 years ago, we kind of messed that one up, kind of looking at each other, but today I don't plan on looking at anyone.
Do you feel the winner of today's stage will win the race overall?
There's still a long way to go, and we've seen on Willunga that the time gaps are never massive, but we've still got 2 tricky stages to get to Willunga, so the race is never over, but I think today will show who's got the form to win the race.